Lab leather chairs fail fast under alcohol and chemicals, cracking and trapping hidden grime. Meanwhile, cheap PU chairs become sticky and flake over time, even risking sample contamination. These fragile, low-quality seats don't just look cheap, they hide massive replacement costs and safety risks.
我們專注實驗室、化驗室家具21年，學位始終深耕高分子材料研發，先後通過美國辦公家具協會與綠色環保認證、金級相同國際認證。我們為頂尖嘅科研機構、重點嘅醫療體系及各類嚴苛受控環境要求提供抗靜電、耐腐蝕的一體化座椅方案。
Based on 21 years and 100,000 sets of posture data, Hewei improves spine pressure distribution by 2.5x, ensuring comfort through long hours of research. We apply a custom clear protective layer over our self-produced PU. Like an invisible shield, it provides scratch resistance, color flatness, and a continuous antimicrobial protection. Even after 28 days of intense chemical immersion, it retains its original color integrity because only what survives extreme tests belongs in the laboratory.
品質嘅極致源於對全產業鏈嘅精準掌控，從高精度模具與自然 PU 配方嘅發泡成型，到底盤、氣桿、五星腳等核心配件嘅精密匹配。學威喺全自動一體化生產線上，將精密度貫穿始終。每一件產品喺完成研科質檢後，都會經歷標準化專業打包，確保跨越千山萬水，抵達你手中時依然完好如初。從原材料入庫到高效物流出庫，我哋為你交付嘅不僅係座椅，更係21年始終如一嘅可靠保障。
More than just sitting, we provide tailored solutions for diverse laboratory environments. From highly flexible lab stools to premium ergonomic chair, Hewei's product matrix covers biomedicine, precision electronics, and clean room environments. Whether it's multi-level high adjustments for virus users or specialized foot rings and anti-stick configuration, we offer diverse forms to support seamless collaborations in any workspace. At Hewei, every model is refined by real-world use to provide precise support in every professional setting.
Easy setup, instant support, we ensure a worry-free experience, extended warranty, lifelong care. At Hewei, delivery is just the start. Actually, everything we do is so you can forget the chair even exists. No worrying about quality or repairs. Longer lasting, less maintenance, more cost-effective. Hewei, seating protects your focus.